Hello violin players, welcome to Pro-Am Strings. I'm Henriette and in this lesson today we are practicing slurs. And we're using exercise 94 on page 30 in your book. So by the end of this session you will know what slurs are and how to play them and how to make the best sound when you play slurs. So let's go ahead and get started. So a slur is a little curved line, as you can see in your book, and it connects two notes together so that those two notes are played on the same bow stroke. Now you can see initially we're playing 2 notes slurred, but you can also play 3 notes or 4 notes or many more notes slurred when you get a little bit further ahead with your violin. In this case we're playing 2 notes slurred. We're playing the first note on the first half of our bow, and then just as we get past the sticker we're putting our finger down. You might put a sticker at the side of your bow where you can see it, and that will be very clear when it comes in front of your face to see when you put your finger down. We're practicing exercise 94 and I'll count us in for 4 before we start. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think when you've done this a couple of times, you won't find this too challenging at all. Now when you play the slurs, it's quite crucial that your finger comes down quite fast, so you get a very well defined start of your second note that you slur. I'll show you, if it doesn't go to plan, then it will sound like this. Can you hear there's a little vague section where my finger isn't pressing down quite as hard. So what you want to do is lift your finger up really high and then drop it down so that it comes down with a little tap. Can you hear that? When you put your fingers down you want to really tap it hard, but also when you lift your fingers up you want to lift them up quite abruptly. Let's practice this tapping and lifting in exercise 95. I'll count us in for 4 again, and we're using the whole bow on 2 notes, so you change notes at your sticker. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing, really well done. You will have noticed that if you can't quite fit the 2 notes on one bow, can you please check that your bow is straight? Like that. Remember, if I go like this, it won't quite fit on the bow, you see. So try to find a way to bow further forwards so that your bow is straight. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. If it's been helpful to you, do subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.